Are you planning to relocate to Ottawa? Canada Day in Ottawa is like no other. As the nation's capital, this goes without saying. We're talking live music, street performers, family-friendly activities, and of course, massive fireworks over the Ottawa River. If we haven't met, my name is Liam Swords, and I've been selling homes right here in Ottawa since 2002. I've helped hundreds of families and newcomers find the perfect home and settle into life here with ease. Along the way, I've also learned what it takes to experience Canada Day like a true local. So what to expect? Let's set the scene. Imagine downtown streets filled with people in red and white, street musicians playing, the smell of poutine and beaver tails in the air, and the spontaneous cheers breaking out. Canada Day here is big, like hundreds of thousands of people big, but it's also friendly, festive, and full of positive energy. You'll see free concerts and live performances all over the city, cultural and community events, including Indigenous programming and heritage showcases, tons of food vendors and pop-up markets, and activities for all ages, from face painting to inflatable play zones to beer gardens and dance stages. Just know it's an all-day affair, and yes, it gets crowded, especially downtown. Plan to be on your feet for a long time, wear comfy shoes, and go with the flow. And oh, quickly, if you're thinking and serious about buying a property right here in Ottawa and want to get the absolute best price, then check out my home buying secrets. These are the buying tactics I've used over the past 20 plus years to save my clients on average $21,000 on their home purchase. If you want access, just click the link in the description. All right, best spots to celebrate Canada Day in Ottawa. If you want to be in the heart of it all, head to Parliament Hill. This is the epicenter of Canada Day celebrations. Expect crowds, but also top-tier programming and performances by big-name Canadian artists. If you're looking for family-friendly or more relaxed options, check out Major Hills Park. Great views, lots of food, and open space for picnicking. Also, Lansdowne Park. Perfect for kids, families, with games, community events, and a fun atmosphere. Also, be sure to check out LeBreton Flats Park, often hosting major concerts and has a bit more breathing room. There are celebrations happening throughout the city as well, including Canada in the west, Orleans in the east, and in the southern part of Ottawa in Barrhaven and Riverside South, if you prefer a more local neighborhood vibe. Big question I get asked a lot is where to watch the fireworks. Well, the fireworks show is a grand finale and starts around 10 p.m. weather permitting. Top spots to catch the show would be 100% Parliament Hill, the classic spot, but get there early as it fills up quickly. Another spot to check it out would be the Canadian Museum of History, just across the river in Gatineau, offers stunning panoramic views of Parliament with the fireworks as the backdrop. Another spot to check out would be Major Hills Park. Great view, slightly less packed. And then you can check out the fireworks on many rooftop patios, restaurants, or hotel lounges like Andes or the Westin can offer an elevated experience. Bring a blanket or folding chair, dress in layers, and be ready to sit and wait. It's worth it. So a question I get asked also is, how do you get around on Canada Day? It sounds like it's really busy. Well, it is. The one crucial reminder is leave your car at home. Seriously, parking is a nightmare. Many streets are closed for the festival and all of the events that are taking place. How to get around? Well, OC Transpo offers free transit all day on Canada Day on July 1st, including buses and the O train. A lot of people will bike depending on the weather or walk. There are tons of pedestrian zones and Ottawa's bike pass for a great way to move around the core. Be sure to plan your route ahead and expect delays and detours. There'll be large crowds, especially when the fireworks come on at night. If you're coming in from outside the city, park at a major transit hub and take public transit in. It'll save you a lot of time and headaches. Activities and events to check out on Canada Day. There's a packed schedule on Canada Day and something for everyone. So in the morning, there's a ceremonial flag raising at Parliament, changing of the guard ceremony, outdoor yoga sessions, markets, and community events. Then in the afternoon, the main stage concerts at Parliament Hill and LeBreton Flats, cultural showcases and interactive exhibits, food trucks, craft vendors, and street entertainers. In the evening, there are many concerts right on Parliament Hill, and the fireworks will begin at 10 p.m. Don't forget to check out the City of Ottawa website for the official events schedule closer to the day. Well, folks, that wraps up Canada Day in Ottawa. It truly is a wonderful celebration and brings the community together, especially when you're living right here in Ottawa. If you're serious about making Ottawa your new home, take the time and explore its neighborhoods and connect with the business community. And when you're ready to make the move and need help finding the perfect home, please reach out. All of my information is below in the description. You can send me an email and we can connect for a call or video e-meeting. I would love to help you make a smooth move right here to Ottawa. We also have a risk-free guarantee called Love It or Leave It, which means if I help you buy a home and you're not completely satisfied, we'll sell it for free in the first 12 months of living there. I want to thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.